In today's video, you will learn a complete beginner-friendly guide to cloud storage. We will walk through OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox, and you will see exactly how to set up syncing on your computer, how to share files securely, and how to follow the best practices to keep your cloud storage clean, safe, and organized. All steps will be demonstrated in a clear, direct procedure so you can follow everything easily on your own desktop. Section 1. OneDrive. To start using OneDrive, open your browser and search for OneDrive Login. Then click on the first official result. When the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft account so that OneDrive opens on your dashboard. To set up syncing on your computer, click the Windows Start menu, search for the OneDrive application, and open it. When the app appears, sign in with the same Microsoft account you used in the browser. After signing in, your system will automatically create a OneDrive folder on your PC. Open this folder, and then drag any file from your desktop or documents into this OneDrive folder. You will see the OneDrive icon begin syncing with a small animation, and once the green checkmark appears, your file is fully synced with the cloud. If you edit or rename that file, OneDrive will automatically sync the updated version across all your devices. To share a file through OneDrive, return to your browser and open OneDrive.com again. Click once on the file you want to share, and then click the Share button at the top. When the link window opens, set the permission to either View Only or Edit Access depending on what you want. After selecting the permission, click Copy Link, and paste it into any email or message to send it to someone. For best practices, create clean folders inside OneDrive by clicking New Folder and naming each folder clearly according to your projects or categories. Turn on two-factor authentication on your Microsoft account to keep your files secure. Also, open the Shared section regularly to remove any old access that is no longer needed, and clear the OneDrive recycle bin to keep your cloud storage light and organized. Section 2. Google Drive. To begin using Google Drive, open your browser and type Google Drive into the search bar. Press Enter, and from the results, click on the first official Google Drive link. When the page opens, sign in using your Google account details. After logging in, the main Google Drive interface will load. On the left side, you will clearly see sections like My Drive, Computers, Shared with Me, Recent, and Trash. This is where all your folders and files are displayed. Take a moment to look around so you understand the layout. Now, to set up Google Drive syncing on your desktop, open your browser again and type Download Google Drive for Desktop. Press Enter and then open the official Google download page. On this page, click Download Drive for Desktop. Your PC will start downloading the setup file. Once the download is complete, open the installer by double-clicking it. Follow the on-screen instructions, and after installation, open the Google Drive desktop app and sign in with your Google account again. Your computer will automatically create a new folder named Google Drive. Open this folder, and now drag any file from your desktop into this Google Drive folder. You will notice a small syncing icon appearing on the file. This means the file is being uploaded to your cloud storage. When the icon changes to a green checkmark, it confirms that the file has been successfully synced. At this point, if you open the Google Drive app on your phone, tablet, or any other device, you will see the same updated file available there as well. To share files in Google Drive, open your Drive dashboard in the browser. Locate the file you want to share, right-click on it, and select Share. A sharing window will appear. Type the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Next to the email field, choose the permission level: viewer, commenter, or editor. Once you have selected the correct permission, click Send. If you prefer sharing the file using a link, simply click Copy Link and paste the link anywhere you want, such as WhatsApp, email, or Messenger. For best practices, always keep your Google Drive clean and well organized. Create separate folders for every project, assignment, or category so files remain easy to find. Move related items into the right folders. Open Drive Settings, and under Storage, check how much space is being used and how much is available. For better security, enable Google two-step verification so your account stays protected. Lastly, open Manage Access on your shared files from time to time and remove any people who no longer need access. This ensures your data stays private and secure. Section 3. Dropbox. To use Dropbox, start by opening your browser and typing Dropbox Login into the search bar. Press Enter, and from the search results, click on the official Dropbox website. When the home page opens, sign in with your Dropbox account. After logging in, you will see your main dashboard where all your folders and files are displayed. Take a moment to look at the left side panel, which shows options like Home, All Files, Shared, File Requests, and Deleted Files. This layout helps you quickly navigate through your storage. To set up syncing on your computer, open your browser again and type Download Dropbox app. Press Enter and open the official Dropbox download page. On the page, click Download, and your computer will start downloading the installer. Once the download finishes, run the installer by double-clicking it. Follow the on-screen steps. After signing in, your PC will automatically create a Dropbox folder. Open this folder. Now drag any file from your desktop or any other location into this Dropbox folder. As soon as you drop the file inside, you will notice a blue syncing icon appear. This icon indicates that the file is currently being uploaded to your cloud storage. When the blue icon changes into a green checkmark, it means your file has been successfully synced. To share files in Dropbox, go back to Dropbox.com in your browser. Find the file you want to share and look to the right side for the Share button. Click it. A small window will open where you can enter the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Next, choose whether they can view the file or edit it. After selecting the permission, click Copy Link. Then copy it and share it through WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or any platform you like. For best practices in Dropbox, create a main folder for backups and then make subfolders inside it so everything stays organized and easy to find. Turn on two-factor authentication inside Dropbox's security settings for extra protection. Regularly open the Deleted Files section and permanently delete old or unnecessary files so your cloud storage stays clean. Also, check the sharing permissions every few weeks to make sure only the right people still have access to your shared documents. This keeps your data safe and ensures full control over your files. You have now learned the complete procedure for using OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox. You saw how to open each service, how to set up syncing on your desktop, how to share files securely, and how to follow the best practices needed for safe and organized cloud storage. Thank you for watching.